if I fully embody my highest version of myself and the highest version of my business, why? Where's my why? Why do I need to be doing this? Who will it affect? Who will it change? What lives will change? And for me, that's my biggest motivating factor, is to go, I know that there are hundreds and thousands of Reiki practitioners that are doubting themselves, that are struggling, that don't know how to incorporate Reiki in their everyday life, that didn't, maybe they were like me and didn't get a great education and they're struggling. And so that helps me show up for all of you. And so going to why is partly a motivating factor. And then the other half of that really is listening to your divine inspiration. And so keeping a journaling notebook with you while you meditate, do it for yourself, do the meditation and the self-care practice for you, but always have a journal with you so that as you meditate, you'll be like, oh, I'm so, this enlivens me about this topic. And so I want to go write a blog on it, or I want to share with my community, or I want to do that Facebook post or whatever it is. Oftentimes what I get inspired by, I know that that is the, okay, I'm in the frequency and vibration to bring that inspiration through. And when I'm in that frequency and vibration of bringing that inspiration through, the next step is to take action on it, because I'm not the only one who got it. The universe kind of, and you'll read this in like books like Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. Like there's many different people out there in the spiritual world where they'll say, oh, that divine inspiration, it went out to like 10, 12, 20 people. And to see who's going to manifest it, who's going to be that clear conduit to bring it all the way into fruition. And so when I get that divine inspiration, I'm like, I'm doing this today. And so part of it is listening to your intuition. Part of it is listening to where's your enthusiasm? Might not be your full-on passion, but where's your enthusiasm? And so if it's Reiki, great. Is it baking? Great. Is it spending time by the ocean? Great. Like whatever it is, follow the enthusiasm, because oftentimes so I ended up at the beach. And you're at the beach and then you get another moment of inspiration. And so this is why it's not always about, I see the big picture. I know where I want to be. I know I want to have a life full of joy and abundance and love and positive relationships. And I know I want that life, but I don't know how to get there. Well, we can let go of the how, because all we have to do is follow the enthusiasms. All we have to do is follow those inspirations, because it's going to be a breadcrumb trail of how to get there.